Ready to take control of your financial future? In this video, you'll learn how to start investing in 2025, step by step. From understanding the basics to crafting a strategy that works for you, we'll uncover the secrets that seasoned investors use to grow wealth. Plus, stay until the very end to discover the single most powerful investment strategy for this year, a game changer you can't afford to miss. Why should you invest? In 2025, the financial landscape is evolving rapidly. Inflation continues to erode savings, making traditional bank accounts less effective at preserving value. Investing is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Investing allows your money to grow over time, leveraging compound interest and market trends. Whether it's the stock market, real estate, or cutting-edge assets like cryptocurrencies, smart investing can build wealth faster than you ever imagined. In this segment, we'll explore the key reasons to start investing now, beating inflation, growing passive income, and preparing for a financially secure future. Before diving in, it's essential to understand the different types of investments. Let's break them down one by one. Stocks represent ownership in a company and offer high growth potential, but come with risks. Bonds, on the other hand, are safer investments that pay fixed returns. For beginners, ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, offer a diversified way to invest in multiple stocks or bonds at once. Real estate has always been a reliable investment, providing both income and asset appreciation. And then there's cryptocurrency, a high-risk, high-reward option that's transforming the financial world. By diversifying your portfolio with a mix of these assets, you can balance risk and reward to suit your financial goals. Now that you understand the types of investments, let's talk about how to start. First, set clear financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a home, or simply building wealth? Defining your why is critical. Next, choose a platform to invest. In 2025, there are countless online brokerages and apps that make investing simple and accessible. Look for low fees, a user-friendly interface, and educational resources. Once you've chosen a platform, start small. Invest an amount you can afford to lose and gradually increase as you learn. Remember, consistency is key. Even small investments grow over time with compounding. Finally, make your first trade. Whether it's buying a stock, ETF, or crypto, the first step is the hardest, but also the most rewarding. Investing can be daunting, especially for beginners. But avoiding these common mistakes can save you money and stress. First, don't follow the crowd blindly. Just because an asset is trending doesn't mean it's a good investment. Do your own research. Second, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. And third, avoid emotional decision-making. Markets go up and down. Reacting out of fear or greed can lead to poor choices. The investment landscape in 2025 is shaped by new technologies and global challenges. AI-driven trading is becoming mainstream, offering unprecedented insights and opportunities. Sustainable investments like green energy and ESG funds are attracting more attention as the world focuses on combating climate change. Global markets are more interconnected than ever, making international diversification a key strategy. Stay informed and adapt to these trends to maximize your returns. In this video, we've covered why investing matters, the types of investments available, how to get started, and the mistakes to avoid. Investing in 2025 is an incredible opportunity to grow your wealth and secure your future. And now, as promised, here's the most important tip. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Continuous learning, developing skills, and staying informed will always give you the edge in any market. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to start investing. Together, let's build a path to financial freedom.